Ramp envoy 9859, Bravo 46, ready for push.
9859, push approved, call for taxi.
Push approved, envoy 9859.
Alright, starting number one.
Runway 3941, the ground on Bravo 30. 3941, 110, taxi to gate, Bravo 30, verify safety envelope on arrival. Alright, slot 110, and we'll verify that to Bravo 30, and we'll verify safety. 3941.
After start checklist.
Hydraulic pumps.
Auto.
FADEX.
Reset alternate.
GP extra.
Off move.
Ice section override is auto. Pack SAM bleeds are set. Stair lights on. Flight director autopilot set to my side and off.
Set to the right and off.
Takeoff data and speed set 38 470 15 16 29 59.
38 470 15 16
Ramp
29.
envoy 316 golf number 2.
Or actually we did it for the 30.
Yeah,
we did it
card.
for the card.
Golf,
So.
Alright, ICAS check.
Check.
Trim
I need you to hold 110 once you pull in.
Neutral
Please hold
set,
110. They're going to be parking at
APU
30.
is on. Seatbelt harness is on.
And I'll call you back
after
after they are cleared out the way.
Envoy 9859, runway 17 right, taxi via hotel, actually, Hotel Yankee, short of kilo.
Hotel Yankee short of kilo 17 right, envoy 9859.
Hotel
Yankee short of kilo.
Alrighty. Once we get on the bridge, you can start number 2.
Alright, great.
Hey, ground, Americans 1839. We got a good gate.
Ready for it?
10.
Yep.
American 1839 ground, thanks taxi via kilo to the ramp.
Okay, kilo to the ramp. Americans 1839.
American 1403 ground, if you're up, give way to the company right left at Papa.
Give way to the company right left at Papa, and we're going west side today, American 1403.
Thanks, sir.
The DFW ground, Martech 628, Charlie 2 with the India.
Our Texas 58 ground, the west ground opened up on point 5.
Okay.
Follow me on the right auto check. Go for it.
Envoy 9859, you can continue now via Lima and Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo Hotel envoy 9859.
Alright, Lima Echo Hotel. Okay. Taxi checklist.
Text checklist. Second engine start complete.
Complete.
Steering checked.
Check.
Takeoff briefing.
Complete.
FADEC reset alternate. Pack SAM bleeds are set.
Runway 423, that traffic ahead's not ready. Get angle right, use Echo Hotel and Tower 2655.
Ice section override is auto. FMS is set. Runway 17 right.
And 17 right.
First
Ground
fix is
34,
trapped.
Bravo Bridge,
Taxi
563.
check complete.
For takeoff to the line.
Envoy 3410 ground, taxi the ramp.
Takeoff.
To the ramp,
Okay.
Flight attendant, please prepare the cabin for departure. Alright, before takeoff,
Ground, County 502 Heavy, Yankee Bridge.
Set.
County
90 degrees.
502 Heavy ground, good morning, runway 17 right, taxi via Lima Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo
Hotel,
Hotel, runway 17 right, County 502.
Lima Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo
Skywest 32 ground, what's the spot?
53.
Clear
Roger that, continue on Juliet Sierra.
Envoy 9859, runway 17 right, line of way.
17 right, line point envoy 9859.
American 353, contact partial, see ya. Good day, American 353. Runway 3416, taxi via the Echo Sierra route, monitor ground .65.
Takeoff checklist below the line. Gas lock is free.
Free?
Flight control is checked. Fuelman takeoff 10.1 is checked. Transponder TARA.
Runway 9859, RNAV to Trex, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Trex 17 right, clear for takeoff, envoy 9859.
All right.
County 502, heavy DFW, turning 17 right, line up way.
Exterior line set.
17 right, County 502,
right.
Marine 138, caution, wing turbulence, heavy 76, will park on board.
138, copy.
Thrust set. $80 knots.
80 knots.
V1, rotate. V2.
Runway 3496, Papa 2, Echo
Positive
Sierra,
rate.
behind an
Yeah.
RJ at Echo Romeo, and monitor
In
ground
transit.
0.6
Select
miles.
nav.
Alright, Papa 2, we're behind the aircraft of Echo Sierra. We'll monitor ground on way 3496.
13574, DFW, turning 17 left, clear to land with 20012.
Acceleration altitude,
9859,
select
contact
speed
departure.
200. Flap stop.
Up departure 9859.
Runway 4043, taxi via Echo Romeo, short of Papa.
92, thank you.
5 Golf, climb and maintain
Flaps up.
17,000.
After takeoff checklist. You can select flight level change when you're ready.
After takeoff checklist complete. Departure envoy 9859 out of 2,800 for 10,000 on Fork 2.
Runway 9859, regional departure, ready to contact the morning.
Morning. And I don't know if I said, but after takeoff checklist complete.
5 Golf, Fort Worth Center, 135.75 slow. Jet card 92, Fort Worth Center, 126.57, we'll see it.
2657, jet card 92, good day.
American 353, Fort Worth Center, 135.75, get ready to climb through 12. Envoy 9859, direct Hannah, maintain 10,000.
Direct Hannah and 10,000, envoy 9859. Perfect. Hannah. 10 is already set.
10 is up.
County 502 Heavy, regional departure, ready to contact, good morning. Envoy 9859, establishing that turn. Traffic will be at your 1 to 2 o'clock and 7 miles northwest bound Airbus 12 for 11.5 and trail ahead 14 for an 11 is an Embraer.
Roger, we'll look for both of them, envoy 9859. There's one. Yeah.
County 502 direct Jasper, climb and maintain 17,000.
I think I'll autopilot on.
And it's engaged. Nine for 10,000.
9%.
County 502 Fort Worth Center 135.75, we'll see you.
100 feet.
Alrighty. What do we have here? Let's see.
Envoy 9859, climb maintain 17,000 and forward center 126.57. Good day.
So 17,000 and forward center on 126.57. You take care.
17,000 is set.
Correct, yes. Forward center Envoy 9859 out of 10 for 17,000.
Envoy 9859, forward center, climb maintain, flight level 290.
Flight level 290, Envoy 9859.
$290.
29
Right,
set.
down 19 uniform contact, Memphis Center 135.87.
Wow, that's nice.
Early?
Going up almost all the way. Doesn't usually happen.
Oh, yeah.
Card 92, climb maintain, flight level 410.
Climb maintain, flight level 410, check card 92.
It's a nice day.
It is. Gotta appreciate it here before we get down closer.
I know the storms in Miami.
Yeah.
Pretty much the whole state was going to be one big storm, right? Yeah.
Welcome to summer in Florida.
I know.
Oh, home. It's easy though. You get used to it.
Yeah. Climb checklist.
Altimeter is 2992. Set cross check.
2992 set cross checks.
What is it? Starlight off. Steer lights are set. Flap check display.
Forward center 135.75. We'll see you.
Central 37 Federal Scott. Direct start. Miami Center, correction on 0 just flight level 0 descending to 40. Number Monroe is 200, mod center call. Scott. At maintain 10,000 at 250, on the altimeter 3004.
We just got a special ATIS issued from Miami. Weather's about a half-mile visibility, heavy rain and thunderstorms missed, low ceilings. That's pretty typical for Miami.
Yeah, you know,
summer weather.
Summer weather, you know, it's almost every day it's like this, so got to do what you got to do.
Yeah, it's already getting a little bit bumpy, but we're going down right now. We'll be on the ground in about 40 minutes.
Approach Envoy 9859 out of 11,300 for 10,000. We have information. Juliet.
240.
Lock.
American 1438, we're running at 240.
Right to 240, American 1438.
I'm approach Envoy 9859, about to leveling off at 10. We have information, Juliet, on a 1 10 heading for, or excuse me, 100 heading for deviation.
9859, you'll take my headings in just a minute. Thank you for that. And you can expect RNAV 8 left.
Expect 8 right, or excuse me, 8 left, RNAV on way 9859.
I'm sorry, yeah, the RNAV 8 left.
RNAV 8 left.
American 1438 looks like he didn't
So
heading, but it
I'll
was
plug
for
it in for
traffic
you.
at your 11
Thanks. Sorry
o'clock at
about
about 5 miles. He's climbing out of 9859.
No, that's right.
Heading of 150.
150 on way 9859.
On way 9859 on that heading, you can have deviations 10 degrees left or right. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second.
Roger, left or right 10 approved on way 9859.
Every 25, 23
Alright,
heavy,
RNAV,
heading
GPS
180.
runway 8 left.
Right heading
Our new
Every
main
25, 23
right
heavy,
now
you
is
can
going
climb
to
maintain
be
7,000. Traffic will be overhead at 8.
Okay, climbing, I'm maintaining 10,000, I'm route 5, that's very good for traffic.
So it's going to be
25, 23
600
heavy, just confirm you said 7,000.
on the RAs.
7,000, I'm route 5,
We'll have that there. Okay. So from Miami,
American 1438,
final approach course is
reduce
going to be
speed to
heading
250.
092.
250, American
Case at 1,500 feet.
777.
And then our
Showing
LNAV
about
VNAV minimum is,
2,000.
excuse me, LNAV minimum is going to be
777 Charlie
600
Lima,
feet.
Miami approach, maintain VFR. Miami 8 is information.
In case we
Kilo
go
9,
missed, it's going to be a climb to
3003.
800.
3003.
Then a left turn at 3,000 Barbara and hold. MSA
GPS
for where we're
378,
coming in is
maintain
2,900 feet. Landing on 8 right.
climb maintain
8 left.
Sorry, 8 left.
Climbing departure, Transauto.
And we'll make a right turn off and hold short of runway 8 right.
Zoe 135, Miami departure, radar contact.
Departure,
Alright,
Coast
so we're
Guard
gonna have a little
2309,
cell up
passing
here.
1,600
Okay.
for 2,000 off for Balaka, request.
Coast Guard 2309, Miami approach.
That's
I'm not going to
correct.
take your
Approach
request yet.
plan.
Just climb to 3,000,
Perfect.
go eastbound, and I'm going
Okay.
to take you
Alright, so we're
southbound
gonna go
towards
through this
Manatee
gap.
unless you
Okay.
just want to go via VFR. Wagner 421, contact Miami approach 126.05.
2605, Wagner 421.
Coast Guard 2309, if what you want to do is other than that, just let me know in a second.
And Coast Guard 2309, we'll take VFR.
Yeah, a little bit
now,
more
so
left.
can't
There's a
talk.
little nice
Coast Guard
gap right there.
2309, cancellation of IFRs, receive, maintain VFR out of the Bravo.
Wilco, Coast Guard 2309.
Lamprey 25, 23, heavy turn right heading of 260 vectors for some spacing.
Okay, right heading 260, I'm route 523.
Tampa 4016, heavy descend and maintain 6,000.
Descending to 6,000, Tampa 4016.
And American 1438, descend and maintain 8,000.
Out of 1,000 for 8,000, American 1438.
And on volume 9859, as soon as you're able to proceed direct to Vicov, cross it at 3, cleared RNAV 8 left approach. You should be able to do that in about 3 miles.
Roger, when able direct bike of and you wanted us to cross that at what altitude?
I'm sorry, what was that?
You asked us to cross bike of at a certain altitude?
Yeah, at or above 3.
At or above 3 at bike of on my 9859.
UPS 378, contact Miami Center 124.7.
3,000
Good day.
is set.
3,000 set.
And we
nav
can
is
take
available.
Vicov in a second.
Miami 124.7, good day.
Coast Guard 2309, you're wanting to go
Are we
west
good
for
for
this?
it? Yep.
Yep.
Coast Guard 2309, Miami. Lamprey 2523, heavy climb, maintain 16,000.
Maintain 16,000, I'm route 523.
Miami approach, Hawker 3 on 2 Sierra Juliet, leveling off at 10,000. Sierra Juliet, flighting at 090, maintain VFR.
Starlight on land to be complete. UFB set.
Set.
Center, good morning. November 438, Romeo Victor, 14,000, direct Manatee.
And approach 553 at Papa 2000, back with you for another ILS, please.
Center 312 Sierra Juliet, we need to deviate left for this buildup just slightly.
And I'm sorry, I'm dealing with a lot of stuff right now, guys, so just bear with me. If you do something and I didn't acknowledge it and you get close to another plane, it's on you. Lamprey 2523, heavy turn left direct to Manatee.
Direct Manatee, I'm route 523.
Tampa 4016, heavy descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, Tampa 4016.
Number 2 Sierra Juliet, fly heading a 150. Fly heading 150 to Sierra Juliet.
Not until I get past this buildup, sir.
Transauto 8135, turn right direct Manatee.
Right turn direct Manatee, Transauto 8135.
Again, I just hear somebody say not till I get past this buildup. Is that 2 Sierra Juliet? That's fine. When able, fly heading a 160. I do want you to descend and maintain 6,000. Do that now.
Okay, we'll go down to 6 now, and I'll turn to a 160 heading as soon as I can, sir.
American 1438, reduce speed to 210.
Slow to 210, American 1438.
Approach 55 Papa requesting ILS, gonna be the last one.
4 for 3,000.
4 for 3.
Flight instruments are verified.
8 Romeo Victor, are you on frequency?
8 firm, 8 or 438 Romeo Victor.
Roger. Lamprey 2523, heavy contact Miami Center 124.7.
1 to 4.5, I'm route 523, thank you.
2 Sierra Juliet, need you to start making the turn within about another 2 miles, okay? Starting turning right now, 2 Sierra Juliet.
Okay.
Envoy 9859, contact the tower, 118.3.
18.3, 9859.
American 1438, turn running.
Miami Tower, Envoy 9859, RNAV for 8 left.
Over 9859, Miami Tower, runway 8 left, 14011, gust 16. Clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 8 left, Envoy 9859.
All right, 1500 is up.
1500.
And Miami Tower helicopter 644 Bravo Bravo, just departed to Miami. You'd like to squawk with you?
Helicopter 644 Bravo Bravo, Miami Tower, squawk 4327, altimeter is 3003.
4327 Bravo Bravo.
Number 4 Bravo Bravo, radar contact 3 miles east of Tamiami Airport, verify altitude, and what are your intentions?
4 Bravo Bravo, we're at 500, and we got a couple of portal locations, at the time staying 500 below, headed towards the Biltmore and Coral Gables area at this time.
I got a 4 Bravo Bravo, clear to Bravo airspace south of 836.
And to the Bravo south of 836, and we'll call you on location.
So we go flaps 9.
Course alive and it's cross-checked. No flags. $2,500 for a 1,500.
All right,
Light approach
600 is
fix,
up.
altitude checked, 600 set, runway in sight.
Landing. Gear down. Flaps 22. And before landing checklist.
Before landing checklist. Landing gear 3 green.
3 green.
Speed brake closed. Thrust rating TO1, flaps at 22 degrees. Before landing checklist complete.
Autopilot's
Autopilot. Autopilot.
1,000 feet.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. Minimums.
leaving MDA, set missed approach altitude via approach plan.
500.
500 feet, sink in 800. You're on speed. VREF plus 9.
200. 100.
Yaw depth is off. knots. And my aircraft.
Your aircraft.
60 knots.
Onboard 9859, cross 8 right, taxi to the ramp and contact the gate.
Cross 8 right, taxi to the ramp, Envoy 9850.
Taxi to gate, you said?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
You're clear right.
Clear on the left, and once we get across 8 right, then we can do an active landing checklist.
Clear right.
Clear left.
You want the APU? Probably shut it down, so I don't know.
Yeah.
You want it?
Yeah.
I'll be on 2 real quick. Which one are we going to?
60 Bravo.
Okay. Ramp Envoy 9859 on the ground for 60 Bravo.
Envoy 9851, 59, that's spot 15, south line to the gate,
through heavy.
Spot 15, south line to the gate, Envoy 9859.
Actually, 1232 heavy, Miami Tower, caution wake turtles, cheers for Bravo heavy Airbus, runway 9 clear to land. Clear to land, runway 9, or land to the 1232. Tampa 4016 heavy, taxi via Sierra. Via Sierra, turn ramp, Tampa 4016.
After line is complete.
All right. And since it's a little wet, we'll keep both of them onto the gate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Envoy 9859, if you're not going to 12, just give way to the traffic, he's going to go straight ahead.
Okay.
And Miami helicopter 6 Bravo Bravo, we're heading to our next site is just northeast of the Moreland Stadium. We'll stay 500 below.
Our 6 Bravo Bravo, roger.
Or left.
Clear right.
Our 4 Bravo Bravo, the precipitation in the vicinity seems to be connecting to the cell that's all the way across the airport, and the heavier stuff's on the north side. So it might start intensifying in your area as well.
And Tower helicopter 4 Bravo Bravo, we're on location. We'll be here a couple minutes.
Roger.
Shutdown checklist.
Shutdown checks. Cabin signs off, that section overrides auto, windshield heat 1 and 2 is off, transponder standby, park and brake,
On.
dress levers,
Idle.
gas lock,
Lock.
digital steering,
Disengage.
hydraulic pumps,
Off.
electric power,
APU.
start stop selectors,
Stop.
fuel pumps,
101 off.
beacon, off, emergency lights,
Off.
batteries, shutdowns.